Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear Outlook cache in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system fully loads up. Make sure everything is ready before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is up and running, navigate to the Windows Start menu located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Start menu icon to open it. In the search field that appears, type in Run and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box, which is a quick way to access various system folders and settings without having to manually browse through multiple directories. Now, in the Run dialog box, you'll see a text field. Type in % local app data % into this field and press Enter. This command takes you directly to your local app data folder, which stores application-specific data for programs installed on your computer. This is much faster than navigating through File Explorer manually, saving you time and effort. Once the local app data folder opens, scroll down through the list of folders until you find one labeled Microsoft. Go ahead and click on it to open it. This folder contains various data files for Microsoft applications installed on your system, including Outlook. Inside the Microsoft folder, scroll down again until you locate a folder named Outlook. Click on it to open it. This folder specifically stores Outlook's local data, including cache files that can sometimes build up and cause performance issues or take up unnecessary storage space. Within the Outlook folder, look for a folder called Roam Cache. Open this folder by clicking on it. Here you'll see all the cache files that Outlook has stored over time. These files can accumulate and slow down your application, so clearing them periodically helps maintain optimal performance. To remove all these cache files at once, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut selects all the files in the folder simultaneously. Once all the files are highlighted and selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove all the Outlook cache files from your system, freeing up space and potentially improving your Outlook's performance. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the Outlook cache on your Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.